Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Google app. Alright, as you can see here, I'm using an Android device. So the set of steps will be the same as for the iOS users. Alright, the first thing that we need to do here is to open up our Play Store. And for iOS, it would be your respective app store. Once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the search icon. Alright, and then you're going to want to find Google app. Once you have it typed in, just go ahead and hit on enter to find it. All right. As you can see here, there are a lot of options right here, which says Google. But the ones that you're looking for is the Google itself. All right. Not Google Chrome, not Google Go, not Google Play Games. All right. Tap on this one right here and just simply hit on install. All right. Wait for the process to finish. All right. The process is done. Just go ahead and tap on open to open the Google app. And there you have it. You can now use the Google search from here and also use the camera or this lens right here to picture things that you didn't know so that Google app will automatically look it up for you. And also, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.